छोले भटूरे.
Cheers! Kaya, pao, mala, vada pao, tayo na. Calcutta, what? Sada pan.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Couple uncouple. It feels like we're shooting after like some 5,000 years, no?
Yeah, guys, the thing is Astha Shah kal hi aayi hai New Zealand se. New
We're
Zealand
back to work.
Oh, we are back to work. How was your New Zealand trip? ये थोड़ा कुछ तो बता.
It was amazing.
It was amazing. चलो खत्म.
Especially because you were not there. Kidding, missed you. Oh.
Kidding, miss you too.
So cute.
Oh.
We are in Ghatkopar Khao Gali with two very cute and a very cute and famous couple on YouTube and Instagram. Their name is Nick and Carrie. We're gonna give the phone to them for them to tell you what we're gonna be doing today and where are they from.
Let's go, guys.
Hey guys! This is Nick and this is Carrie. Welcome back to their channel. They have bring us to Mumbai to have street food, and you guys know Carrie
It's a foodie.
is obsessed, and we never have been on streets of India to actually try street food. All the time we have street food is in hotel room and stuff, and everyone has been picking on us. So this time we leave our lives in our friend's hand and we are going on the
Let's
streets.
go. I think you're gonna love it.
Let's do it.
Let's
do
go.
it.
Let's go. But this is one of the most famous place in Ghatkopar for pav bhaji.
Anyone who tells Achija, they'll be like, everyone knows it. It's that good.
Achija.
And what's the meaning?
Pav bhaji.
Let's
Do you know
go.
what pav bhaji is? That is a disrespect. That is a disrespect. That's not a burger. You need to explain before we get into the restaurant, otherwise you are out.
It's a friend of Vada pao.
No, it's not.
It's a friend of ours.
It's not a friend of Vada pav.
It's a bun.
And
And feelings.
no, it's a bhaji with pav. Sabji.
Okay.
प्याज टमाटर की सब्जी.
Sabji.
प्याज टमाटर की सब्जी. What is प्याज? What is प्याज, Carrie? You eat. You used to hate it.
Onion,
Then you make
onion.
yeah. And what is tomato?
Tomato.
Yeah.
So प्याज टमाटर की सब्जी is a bhaji.
Aloo.
Yes.
Aloo. Which is you?
Okay, what's this?
Chutney.
Chutney. Oh my
Crazy.
God.
Yeah.
Nice one, yeah, Nick.
I've heard your favorite food is chole.
Chole bhature.
Chole bhature.
She can't say ra though. She said chole bhatule. Say how do you say?
छोले भटूरे.
Alright. We have food here.
All eyes are on you right now because you have to try this and
And
Tell
give your
us.
honest feedback, huh?
Okay.
Whatever you like.
yeah, even if it's not theek hai, she said.
Yeah, theek hai, yeah,
Even if
perfect.
it's not good, you have to say it.
Okay.
Alright. Moment of.
So do you put it in?
We don't tell you. You eat your way. Okay. We are
my interpretation of
Yes.
how to eat a pav bhaji.
Yes. Let's see. That actually looks so good.
I think I like that.
Yeah.
I wasn't hungry, and as soon as I saw that,
Fold it up.
मुंह में पानी आ गया.
Dip. Dip it.
Wow, you took a big chunk of butter.
And then
Nice.
Pyaz.
Very nice. Okay. Everyone looking at her. It's good?
It's nice, right? It's my favorite.
the bun is so soft. And then
Yeah, but it's very
It's very buttery also.
Yeah, it has too many
Very
calories.
buttery, yeah.
What do you think they put it in the bun? What do you think they put it inside the bun? Do you think anything is inside?
butter.
Butter? She knows. We just started, so this
Yeah,
is the
this
first
is the
meal.
Okay, now it's Nick's turn.
We
Nick,
gonna-
you've eaten, right?
I have eaten. Pav bhaji is my childhood food.
But you
Alright,
have-
let's 3 of us take a bite.
Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Go
Done.
for it.
Indians eating pav
All
bhaji
of
and
us.
reacting
Even
to it.
even carry. Come on.
Oh my
One
God,
more
look at
bite.
this.
Okay.
Butter.
After
the
New
butter.
Zealand eating this is like
By the way, Asta has been traveling in New Zealand and she came straight to pav bhaji.
yes, actually. Cheers. Let's do cheers.
Alright,
Cheers,
let's do
guys. Cheers to pav bhaji.
Cheers.
How did you guys meet actually?
Tinder.
Tinder.
Oh.
Wow.
It starts with a swipe, not sponsored by the way. It starts with a swipe.
Crazy.
Nice, man.
How did you guys meet?
Instagram.
Hey.
Local Tinder, you can say.
Yeah, local.
Tinder.
Who slided into whose DMs?
I think I did.
Oh, you did.
Yeah, I think that's a different thing, right? Because generally men do it.
Tole.
Thoda thoda.
I know Tola. I know Tola.
We were अच्छे दिखते हो यार.
थोड़ा ज्यादा possessive हो रही है अभी ये.
है ना भैया ये वाले कौन से हैं?
भाई
Never seen.
you'll have, you guys will taste. थोड़ा एक वो चाट का ले लूँ पूरा. नहीं ना? Sure bro, you love all this.
I love all this,
I'm
bro.
shocked,
I've grown up eating all this.
You're my wife.
भैया इसको बनाने दो डोसा. Let her make dosa. You wanna cook dosa?
He's like no.
ये बहुत सही डोसा बनाती है. ये मास्टर शेफ की कंटेस्टेंट है.
We have called for one genie. Okay, so यहाँ का specialty is genie dosa.
Genie dosa.
Yeah, it's one of the
It
best.
doesn't mean the genie gonna come out of it.
Yeah, I wanted her to say that.
What?
Oh, what do
But you know what genie is? Aladdin genie. The Aladdin,
yeah.
the genie come out. So he cooked dosa. The genie gonna come out after you eat it from your brain.
You have to see how he's making it because you have to make the next one.
For me.
The heck?
Have you eaten something like this before?
No, I have only had plain dosa and masala dosa. That's it.
had-
It's like a pizza. Beya egg something. What? Beya egg genie dosa. It's so nice.
Isn't it?
Okay, wait. Let me make a wish first.
How does it look?
Harry and
It's
Jigger will
going to
take
be
the big
really hot.
Yeah, it's going to be very hot, huh? Trust me, it'll be very hot.
Really hot.
one. The weather is hot. The dosa is hot. How about that?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm also eating in Khao Gali for the first time actually.
Really?
Yeah.
So basically, it's me hosting you guys. So the pressure is on me. So I'm not gonna rate. Obviously. 10.
10?
10 है boss.
He's
He
gonna
knows
rate
it.
everything
He knows
10. Yeah.
everything, everything
Everything
10.
10.
Because he's hosting us, that's why. Because we can cut the marks, he can't.
I would rate this like 9.
9?
It's pretty good.
9?
9.5.
9.5?
Better than.
10.
And okay, so what do you want to do? Pani puri or sandwich? First.
Let's do sandwich first. Let's do something I haven't had before.
Okay, fine. Sandwich.
She had pani puri.
Okay,
But
she's
not
had.
on the streets.
There is like chocolate sandwich also.
Yeah.
And then there is veg cheese grill sandwich.
Chocolate
You
sandwich?
want chocolate? Okay. That was not expected. I thought she gonna say cheese. Okay, let's try
You
chocolate.
want
We
cheese?
haven't tried chocolate sandwich. Come, let's eat.
Wow.
Oh my god.
This looks crazy.
Chocolate sandwich of Mumbai.
Yeah.
Looks
Alright.
very tempting.
Very, very tempting.
Yes.
This is so good.
Is it
How
going?
much-
Is it going above 9.5 or below?
I think for me, it's 10 out of 10. This is
It stays the
Insanely
same.
good.
9.5. Again.
5.
It's good.
But 0.5?
Chole
She's waiting,
Bhuturi
she's
has
waiting.
the crown.
Are you liking the Mumbai street food up till now?
It's so good. It's heaven here.
How much would you rate it?
Isn't it?
You can say 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Wow.
Yeah. What do you think chop is? Soya chop. Have you ever tried it?
I can see the picture.
I think we'll call for tandoori only. No?
Yeah.
The basic one. Like. Hi.
Stick like this.
I'm not sure if she'd love this though.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's try it.
Yeah,
and
We have been feeding. Yeah, we have been.
By the way,
This is this,
shouldn't come on
this
me.
is
Chicken is so scared because he's hosting the whole thing. He's
this
like,
is
"I'm not
Rabina's
sure about this." Yeah.
recommendation.
Me? I said pani puri.
Not Kolkata sada.
Guys,
Magai.
guys, let us know
sad.
if
Why?
Carrie should have Kolkata Sada Pan.
Can you say Kolkata sada?
Calcutta. What?
Sada.
Sada pan.
Let's go.
This looks like chicken.
It's not.
It is. It's
A
basically
substitute,
kale like
yeah.
vegetarian
Yeah,
chicken.
yeah,
That's what
actually.
people eat. Like that's
Yeah.
why it's called vegetarian. See on the top.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And the pyaj. Oh, it's
Banging. It's good.
I like the Hindu.
it's surprisingly good.
It's nice. How much would you rate it?
I'll say an 8.
Wow, that's a high score.
That's a good one.
It's a good score.
Yeah, not bad.
I will give 7.5.
Why?
I think
No, I also feel the people who've eaten like non-veg,
Yeah.
for them
Yeah,
it's not
it's
like
very-
wow.
yeah, like chicken has a more kind of like stronger taste.
Exactly.
So how much will you give, Jiga?
I'll also give like 8.5, 8.5.
He has
Good
to.
8.5,
He
yeah.
has to.
8.5. I've recommended so 10 on 10.
Watch out! There's a bin behind you.
How much would you rate it? 8? 8. Not bad. Everyone liked it. Everyone liked it.
मैं
मैं
तुमसे
तुमसे निक है
प्यार करती
मैं तुमसे
प्यार
प्यार
करती
करती
हूँ.
हूँ.
Now you say it in Chinese.
हाँ?
Yeah, bro, this is actual test.
This is Sigma.
What is that? What's that?
He asked like, what do you like to eat?
That's my love you.
Fair, fair.
Ngõ,
Gõ,
ngồi,
goi,
này.
nè,
Ngồi.
nó ngó gầy. Okay. Let's go next. Pani puri.
Let's go Pani Puri.
Let's go Pani Puri.
Pani Puri.
Right, which one do you want?
I want means.
Mint? Pudina?
Pudina wala.
भैया इसको एक पुदीना देना.
A moment of truth.
Moment of truth for Carrie.
How is Pani Puri on the street?
Nice.
Good.
It's really good.
Everyone's
9 on 10.
okay. It's Jiga's turn now.
I'll hold it.
Let's go. Jiga is like मेरा तो रोज का है.
He loves it. Okay, so this is called moong dal ka bhaji.
This is moong dal ka bhaji.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can try it.
So we have another snacks before the main vada pav happens. We can't keep up, so we have to have something.
Chalo.
Jigar loves this.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh.
Oh, this is good.
It's nice, right?
This is good.
Have one.
My mom makes it at home as well. You can
Huh?
make it at home, yeah.
It tastes like vegetarian version of popcorn chicken.
Yeah.
Vegetarian version of popcorn chicken.
She knows how to explain it. Food, right? That's Carrie's job.
How much would you rate it?
8 out of 10.
Not bad, yeah. She's not going below 8,
Yeah,
huh?
she's not going below
She's
8.
just being sweet now.
Yeah, you being sweet to Mumbai.
You can be harsh. You can be
Yeah.
harsh.
I'm not cannot. It's good. Kaya, bao, mala, bada bao, tayo na. 9.8.
Oh my god. So now it has come up from 9.
So this
9 point.
Yeah.
This is the highest
Highest one.
rate.
this and Pani Puri is
It's like close.
10 out of 10.
Everyone.
Go for it. Tell me. Tell me how
You can
good
say
it
it
is.
time.
मेरे को इतनी खुशी हो रही है अभी.
Rapchik.
Rapchik. Oh my god.
Can you say ekdam rapchik?
से ये एकदम रपचिक है.
ये एकदम नाचिक है.
नहीं,
Nachi. Go for it. All yours.
Marks?
7. I'm kidding.
Really?
That's not right.
That's what happening.
Now you guys need it.
Marks?
20 on 10.
Wow.
I love vada pav, genuinely.
Being like good hosts, right? Like at least
Very, very good one.
I'm happy.
I'm
Loved
coming
it.
back to here every day. They will take me.
Vijay Kichia Papa Center.
Yeah.
Everything looks like a pizza.
Pizza is telling everything looks like a pizza. Have a bite. You have first. Carrie has to be the first person with every single thing. Asta.
Wow. I'll wait for everyone. Everyone
Yeah, because
grab a
this is
bite.
our second last dish, so we should do a cheers. Kichia papad. Oh,
Oh.
like bhel puri but with a papad.
Yeah, wait, puri with papad.
Bhel puri, like bhel puri was the one thing we used to eat in school. After every time school finished, we'll go to eat bhel puri. I'm not a papad guy, so like,
Let's not ask him.
My bad.
nah, you're not.
We will cut this. We'll cut this one.
I think I would give it like 8.
8.
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, same.
Same. I can see that we have made it to the pawn shop, guys. I can see the chocolate pawn. This is Megai. What's Megai in English?
Tough question,
What's
dude.
Pagai in English?
I didn't know
You
this
know what?
existed.
We're not gonna tell you what's Megai in English. You guys Google it. We will eat and we will tell you how it is. You don't chew it. one rule of the pan, you put it on the side and you suck it first. Right? For a bit. That's true.
Bro, she's like, what are you saying?
I'm not kidding. It's true. Because if you chew, you're done. Suck it. Don't chew yet. Jigger's hosting is in danger now.
How much would you rate it?
I think the last one is dangerous.
I'll give it 5 out of 10.
Bye, bro.
Carrie
Bye,
didn't like
guys.
it. Carrie didn't like
Thank
it.
you so
told
much
you.
for watching.
Let it
I feel like I'm eating a perfume in my mouth.
Perfume. What about you?
I like it.
I like it.
9 out of 10.
And he's a desi boy. Ah, come on.
I like it.
He has to like it.
I
Come on.
had different pans in my life.
Okay, guys, so this is the end of it. Firstly, Nick and Carrie give us a gist of.
How did you like it?
We loved it.
I
Thank
love
you
it.
for bringing us along. This was, thing we wanted to do for so long, and because of you guys, she and me got on the streets of Mumbai and had the best street food.
What
So
was
thank
the
you.
one dish that you loved the most out of everything? Just one dish.
Aya.
Ay.
I need to think. There's so many.
Reverse.
I like the Ginny.
Ginny
Ginny
dosa.
dosa?
Ginny dosa. Wow, that's the winner.
I like it because I've never had something like this before, and I don't think they sell it like everywhere.
Anyway, yeah, you're right. You're right.
Nice.
For me, it was chocolate sandwich.
chocolate sandwich.
It took away the flavors, like the way Uncle was like
Making it. Yeah.
extra chocolate.
The
was
process
like,
was only too good. I
too
think.
good.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like our video, please go like, share, comment, and subscribe.
To couple, uncouple.